maybe during the coronavirus you've had a chance to rummage about and find stuff that you've forgotten all about. Out in the hut, I came across this set of dominoes that we had. And I don't know if you already know this, but every set of dominoes should have 28 dominoes in it.
So you've got 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 1, 6, 0, and you've got maybe a 5, 5, and a 5, 4, and a 5, 3, a 5, 2, a 5, 1, a 5, 0, and then you've got a 4, 4, a 4, 3, a 4, 2, and a 4, 1, a 4, 0, a 3, 3, a 3, 2, a 3, 1, 3, 0, and you've got a 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 0, a 1, 1, a 1, 0, and a 0, 0.
So that's your complete set of 28 dominoes. 28 dominoes. And what I was wondering was, is it possible for us to create a multiplication sum using some of these dominoes? Right, let me get you started. I'll give you one of the multiplication calculations for free. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with a 6, 0. I'm going to put the 4, 4 there. And 604 times 4 gives you 2,416. Let's just double check that. 604 times 4 equals 2,416. I wonder how many correct multiplication calculations you can make using the 28 dominoes. You know, it's actually possible to use all 28, only once each, lay them out and form 7 perfect multiplication calculations. But how many can you manage? Maybe you can manage 4 or 5 or 6, or maybe you can do the whole thing, all 7 perfectly laid out multiplication calculations using the 28 dominoes. You can see the one that I showed you before at the top, 604 times 4 is 2,416. And here's just one of the ways that you can use all 28 dominoes to form 7 perfect multiplications.